Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the iPhone notification sound issue after installing iOS 17. So, if you're no longer getting notification updates, first things first, let's do the simple stuff and select the side button to turn off silence mode. So you want to make sure silence mode is turned off by switching the side button like that. Once we've done that, you want to swipe down from the top right hand corner and you want to make sure the do not disturb is not on. And if this is the case, we can move on again. We can go to the settings, then we can select notifications within the settings, and let's say WhatsApp was causing us problems. So we can go into WhatsApp and you can make sure all the notifications are turned on here, and at the top make sure it's on. So once all the notifications are on within the settings, you can select WhatsApp notification settings here at the bottom, and this will actually take you into WhatsApp itself. And again, you want to make sure all these are currently on, so these are all green, and you have a sound selected. So once that's all covered, you should be getting notifications. However, if you're not, let's move on again to see the next step. We want to head back over to the settings and we want to come into sound and haptics. And then you want to select text tone if this is what you're having problems with, and make sure you have a text tone selected, and the same goes for all the other notifications below. Then you want to make sure the lock sound and system haptics are all on here at the bottom, and you want to make sure sound and haptics are turned on. Now we can come back again once we've done that into the main settings and come down to accessibility. Then we want to find audio and visual and try turning on mono audio, and you want this balance at the bottom here to be in the middle. Then we can turn these two notifications off to see if this kicks it in. If not, we can turn them back on. And the last drastic action is coming back into the main settings, coming to general, going right down to the bottom to transfer and reset, select reset and reset all settings. This will reset all the settings on the iPhone back to factory default and should kick out any problems that you've been having. And it should fix the iPhone notification sound issue once you've installed iOS 17. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.